Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here the GTS Smartwatch 2024. And this wearable, it is a sports health data monitoring smartwatch. We are going to check one of its main features. It has a support for the Bluetooth call. As you can see here, we have contact person, dial pad, and call history. It also has a support for message notifications. So we are going to test that. We are going to try and have a demo of these features. So if you have any questions regarding the Bluetooth call as well as the push notifications, just drop a comment below and we will try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Okay, let's start and check on the Bluetooth call support of the GTS smartwatch. We already paired it with a support app. So it is using the JU Pro application, as you can see here. And we already set its frequent contacts as well as the push notification support, as you can see here. We have SMS already activated, message notifications already activated. Okay, so we already set it when we paired it with a support app, with a smartwatch and a support app. Okay, we have a video for that, you can watch it. And we also have here some frequent contacts. We already added one in our smartwatch. Okay, so let's start. Let's send some messages. Let's explore first the world of push notifications. Okay, let's start with the Instagram. So let's say hello to the GTS. Okay, hopefully we can receive a message. We have here the GTS. Then the next one, let's have a call. Let's see if we'll receive a call notification. Nice, it has its own logo, as you can see here. Okay, and let's try to end the call first. Okay, and call. And we have here a notification, as you can see. Okay, so it works for the Instagram. How about the Telegram? Let's see. Okay, so let's send a message. Hello, GTS. Message sent. And we have here our notification from Telegram. And as you can see here, there's a personalized logo also. Messages, we have here the Instagram and the Telegram. For the call, let's see if we'll receive a call notification. It's now calling. Let's end the call here. And let's see. And we also have here a call notification. So it works. Okay, so everything works here. Next, Viber. Let's also send a hello message. Hello, GTS. Message sent. And we have here our Viber notifications. How about the call? Can we receive a call? And call. And we also have it here. And it has its own logo also. Nice. So it seems like everything is very good when it comes to notifications for our GTS smartwatch here. WhatsApp application. Let's say hello also. Hello, GTS. Message sent. And we also have it here. Okay, so it's a different notification. We receive a different notification. Let's have a notification again. Let's have a new message. And we have it here with its own logo also. Good. Next. How about the call? And we have here incoming voice call, end call. Okay, missed call from Xiao phone. Great. And the last one, we have the messenger. Let's send a message. Hello GTS. Message sent. And we have here the message with its own logo, also Facebook logo. Let's have a call. It's now calling. Let's end the call. And we also have here a notification from Facebook or from Messenger. Okay, so let's check again. So we have here the Facebook, we have the WhatsApp application, okay, and other data and other notifications. I mean, we have the date here and the time. Okay, so as you can see here, it works with the Instagram, Telegram, Viber, WhatsApp application, and Messenger. Then the next one, for notifications, let's have an SMS message. Hello GTS. Message sent. It is now sending. And we have here a notification. So as you can see here, it is different notification if it's SMS. Okay, we have it here. As you can see here, okay, we have different notifications from different applications. So everything works with the GTS. Okay, that's the first time to test this, and so far so good with the push notifications. No conflict. It works with Instagram, Telegram, Viber, WhatsApp, Messenger, and other apps. Okay, let's revisit again the JU Pro. And let's see the supported applications. So we have here, so it almost supported all of the popular social apps. Okay, so everything is good with the push notifications for our GTS Smartwatch 2024. Now let's go to the Bluetooth phone call. Let's try and see if this thing works also. Hopefully it works perfectly just like the push notifications. So let's try. We have our phone book. Where's our phone book? Connect. Okay, let's call first. We'll use the other smartphone. So let's try to call the number. Okay, we are now calling it. And we have here our Bluetooth call. So we have an option here to answer or deny the call. Okay, and call. Okay, so far. Okay, call ended. Then next, we have a call history here also. Let's see. Connect, call history. No record. Okay. We'll see later on if we use the, if we answer the call. Contact person, let's see. Let's call the number. Okay, it's not working so far. Again, no. Let's try to set it here. Okay, maybe we missed something. Clear. Let's go here with the Bluetooth settings. Let's make sure that it is activated. So this one is connected. Let's remove this one. Okay, unpair. We have here the GTS 3 Pro. Where is our smartwatch? We have here the Aolon GTS. Let's activate this one. Calls and audio. Okay. Again, let's have another try. Bluetooth phone call. Contact person. And now it's working. Okay, so we have an option to mute the mic or not, as well as the speaker here. Okay, so it works. As you can see here, we can call the number. Then end. Next, dial pad. Then the last one, we will answer the call and see if it's okay. 0969615839. Call the number, and as you can see here, we have the number and it's working. Okay, we have it here. Okay, and okay, call history, we already have it here. Okay, previously it's not working, and now as you can see, it works now. The dial pad also works. Contact person also works. Okay, so let's answer a call. Let's call the number. Okay, I'm calling now, and let's see if we can answer it here in our smartwatch. Okay, we have it here, so let's try to answer. Hello, it works. Okay, so everything works for our GTS Smartwatch 2024. So far, no issues with our connectivity. Again, don't forget to set the Bluetooth call here, although we already activated it in our smartwatch, but still, just to make sure, go to your Bluetooth settings. Go to your Bluetooth settings here, and as you can see here, details. Don't forget to activate this one. Okay, even though you can receive some calls, you cannot use the phone book, as well as the call history is not working. Okay, so here, as you can see, connected for calls. So that's it for our GTS Smartwatch 2024. So our model here, or brand, is the Aolon GTS. So if you have any questions about the video demo, just drop a comment below, and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Goodbye.